Hey, what's up, honeycrunchers? It's me, Jham, and welcome back to honeycrunch321. On March 13, 2021, I received Caronia's Beauty and Bronze Selection PR box. It arrived via LBC. And here's how it looks. Then, after removing the pink wrapper, here it is. So cute, right? Now let's unbox Caronia's Beauty and Bronze Selection. We have these cards. Let me read this one for you. Summer has officially started. Although we are still restricted to travel, it doesn't mean that we cannot keep with the season's beauty trends. With all the colors available for your tips, nothing beats the basic tan and bronze glow. It gives you the classic natural look with stunning shimmer. So bring on your summer beauty with Caronia's Beauty and Bronze Selection. A variety of soft and subtle hues, glowing bronze, and deep tan in 6 best-selling shades. Then we have each shade description. Let me show you each shade from this selection. We have Taupe, Golden Bronze, Touch of Tan, Touch of Beige, Tahiti Brown, and Rainbow Tan. Now let's proceed on swatching these nail polishes. First to swatch is the shade Taupe. By the way, before swatching each shade, I've already applied a base coat. Then for the second coat of Taupe. Taupe is described as a creamy shade of brown. Second shade to swatch is Touch of Beige. Then for the second coat. Touch of beige is described as a soft touch of nude. Third shade from this selection is Golden Bronze. And now for the second coat of Golden Bronze. Golden Bronze is described as a classy and sophisticated blend of gold and bronze. Fourth we have is Tahiti Brown. And for Tahiti Brown's second coat. Tahiti Brown is described as a dark and daring sinister brown. Next we have is Touch of Tan. Now for the second coat. Touch of Tan is described as a smooth and subtle skin tone hue. And the last nail polish to swatch from this selection is Rainbow Tan. Now for Rainbow Tan's second coat. Rainbow Tan is described as a refreshing tone of bronze brown. And that's all of the 6 shades from Caronia's Beauty and Bronze selection. I want to thank Caronia for sending me this super cute and stylish PR box. If you want to try these shades, Caronia's products are available in supermarkets, department stores, drugstores, health and beauty shops, and you can find them online via LAZADA, SHOPEE, and BEAUTYMNL. I'll be leaving their online shops on the description box. Make sure to follow Caronia on Facebook and on Instagram. Once again, thank you so much, Caronia! Among all of the 6 shades you've seen today, which do you think is your favorite? Share your answers on the comment section. If you guys enjoyed today's video, don't forget to hit like, share this video to your awesome friends, and subscribe. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram to get the latest updates and more. And that's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. Stay safe. Bye!